Good afternoon, MMTs. The indexes right now, Dow's down 152 points. Most importantly is Priceline was down another $30 today. That is $60 in 2 days. We're going to report quarterly earnings any moment. You can take a look at the daily chart from 1085 clear down here to 1020 going into the company reports that we're looking at right now. I've got bids at 1029 by 1065. That is the bid and ask range. Now it's 1049 by 1029. So we're definitely on standby. I'm going to pull up a 1 minute chart, MMTs. This is live and after hours. Wait a minute. I've got a gap up here on a 1 minute to 1070, but I don't see that. 1030 by 1048. Now somehow that had to have been an erroneous print. Uh-oh, we're falling to 992. 992, 1030 by 997. There's a huge bid and ask range on this name. Look at Priceline live and after hours right now. I can tell you that I don't think there was a real print, but there could have been. We could have locked up that the algorithms were moving so quickly. Right now, the bellwether is going down in what? Value. Do I have a headline number? I do not even have a report. Once again, this is after hours volatility on Priceline. Up down $53 on the day, 983. It's below $1,000. This big bellwether Priceline is 1730 versus 1621. Revs are good. 2.27 billion versus 2.2 billion. Revs are good. People are going to be buying the dips down here. We can see this 1 minute chart live. Look at this, MMTs. 985 is this 1 minute low. 1070 on the high. 993. And the revs are good. The preliminary, they came in at 1730 versus 1621. Revs, 2.27 billion versus 2.2 billion. They see Q4 EPS of 780 to 830 versus 833 consensus. This must be why the stock is going down in the very short term. Huge. Here we are at 986 by 991. They blew out the number, and we will update this momentarily. Once again, we have confirmed with our floor traders that 1070 is a legit print. So they spiked it to $1,070 and then have knocked it down here almost $100 live in after hours. So there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to hear on the conference call. And if we can buy these dips, we're going to buy these dips. Because I can tell you right now, that's a $100 reversal from 1070 down to 975. The time is 1:04 p.m. Today's date, 11/7, calendar 2013, with the stock now hitting $962 a share, down 88, down 93. This thing is down almost $100. That means the rest of the tech sector is going to have a huge problem. Here we go, MMTs, down to $945 by 950, 946 by 950, down $111 after a blowout report on Priceline. This is what happens. This volatility is extreme right now. Nobody was expecting this kind of a move when you beat the earnings. It's kind of like what Apple did, but we will get to buy the dips on this in the morning. And we will go in and we will get the right contract prices and we will buy calls on this one here. Down to $951. Down $103. We're buying in after hours. This is live. This is as good as it gets. A spike to 170. Down to the lows here. That low in after hours was 946. And we're starting to bounce now. We're going to get net long. Here we go. We're live right here, folks. One of the things that I'm going to point out in Priceline.com, we just came right back up to $1,060. We hit the intraday low at $946 on this 1 minute chart. So Just to recap it, we were buying the dips on the bottom. This is where the low was, right here in after hours, 9:46. It's in this live video. I'm sorry, I had it on pause because we were buying those bottoms. We do this our whole life on Priceline. When Priceline drops down big, we buy it, and we were just selling out up at the highs, and now we're going to get a net short position just to hedge it and see if it comes back down. And we will talk about the earnings later on with folks. But once again, when you want to get involved, my recommendation is the following. If you ever want to get involved trading earnings and you want to get involved, we are market makers. You go to stockmarketfunding.com, you click on trading, you click on free trial. Yes, you do. Then not after that, you click get started. Yes, you do. After that, you click on what? Open an account. Open an account tab. Why? Because we will give you trading capital. Just click on open the account, get started today, read the page carefully, look at both of the videos here, and if you need trading capital, you need management to go along with it, we're here. We're a one-stop shop, and we're here just for you. Once again, this is live right now. We came from 946 back to 1060. We went from 1070 down to 946, right back up here to all-time highs. Priceline now is only down $9.88 on the day. Once again, learn how to trade stock fundamentals, learn how to trade after hours. We do it not with just this one. We do it with them all.